Ever jumped into a voice chat only to find yourself in a silent world while everyone else is still talking? Let's fix that audio void and get you back connected. First things first, let's ensure Discord is actually using the right speakers. Open your Windows sound settings by right-clicking the speaker icon in your taskbar under the Playback tab. Make sure your primary audio output device Y-Euro, that's usually your headphones or speakers Y-Euro, is set as the default device. Now, inside Discord itself, go to your user settings, which looks like a gear icon. Navigate to the voice and video section here, under output device. Confirm that the very same primary audio device you just selected in Windows is chosen if it's set to default. Try selecting your specific device from the drop-down menu instead. Sometimes, the issue is specific to a single user in your voice channel. Look at the list of users. You might see a small volume slider above some usernames. Make sure this slider isn't accidentally set to 0 or very low for the person you can't hear. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers are a common culprit. Let's update those. Search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio device Y-Euro. It might be named something like Realtek High Definition Audio or your sound card's brand Y-Euro and select Update Driver. If updating drivers didn't do the trick, let's tweak some Discord settings. Back in Discord's voice and video settings, scroll down to the Advanced section. Try toggling off Use an Open to 6 for video codec provided by Cisco and also the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority for voice data options. Sometimes these can cause conflicts. Restart Discord after making these changes. Finally, a simple restart of Discord can often resolve temporary glitches. Close Discord completely, making sure it's not minimized to your system tray, and then reopen it. If these steps don't work, double-check your system's overall sound mixer and ensure Discord isn't muted in any other application.